Selamat pagi guys, good morning. Lihat ruangan aku berantakan sekali ya, berantakan sekali. Dan hari ini si fridge-nya tuh mau datang. Jadi tadi tuh udah beres-beres ya, udah dikosongin koridornya dan sini juga udah dikosongin. So excited. Jadi ya berantakan lah, nggak apa-apa ya, berantakan dulu nanti kita beresin kan. Anyway, aku sarapan dulu sebelum si kulkasnya datang. Karena si kulkasnya datang nanti riuh lagi, harus beres-beres ya. Anyway, gimana kabar kalian? Kita sarapan apa ya? Kadang-kadang suka bingung sarapan apa gitu. Pop, ada cornflakes, ada muesli, tapi di belakang itu ini pasta ya, tapi ada Cheerios. Jadi sekarang aku mau pilih mana? Aku pengen yang ini aja deh. Sarapan yang simple aja, pakai cornflakes sama susu, udah deh. Sedikit aja ya. Tuh, kulkasnya udah dikosongin. Cuman itu aja disimpan di sebelum kulkasnya datang. Jadi disimpan dulu di situ, guys. Oke, let's have a breakfast. Beginilah kesehariannya. Mana sih? Aduta lagi ada tutor di atas. Finally si fridge-nya nyampe, guys. Tuh udah dikosongin tuh ya guys ya, biar nanti pas dimasukinnya udah langsung lega dan langsung ke dalam sini.
Okay, leave it out then. That's right. They're not going to. They're going to carry.
Okay.
Whichever way is easiest. Out of the way when you.
Oh, we'll lift it up. We'll just keep it that way.
Keep it to the back on that. Ready? Stop.
What?
It's already on the back of the door.
The door handles there, look.
Just watch the wire.
Yeah.
You want to move yours towards the toilet a bit.
Go to the left, I think.
As I said to wife, keep them going and just tighten the handle there.
Nearly there. That's
I'm
it.
pushing it. There's all hands on the right there. Jesus. You should have seen the blood was like. So I've not done that before.
It'll take a bit of time for it to just pump through first.
Do you need a big?
Finally, si kulkasnya baru nyampe hari ini dan baru di set up ya. Mereka udah pada pulang sekarang. Belum pulang sih, tapi udah beres ya. Jadi ini kulkasnya, ini guys. Kan kakak Duta mau ngeset ya. Kakak mau ngeset dulu karena di sini kan di kita ya. Come on, kakak Duta. Would you help me, kakak Duta? Would you help me? Which one? Rajin, that's it. Ya, password. Can you put password? Ya. Jadi di sini ada tiga ini ya, tiga function, ada tiga function over here. And ini buat air, terus ada esnya gitu guys. Sebentar. This is water. Ini ada air, ada ice block ya buat ice block. Dispenser.
Good. Took me out. It's easier.
Well done, kakak Duta. Is that connected? Is that this one?
Yeah.
Alright. Just wait a minute. Yeah, please.
Don't open that left-hand door because Daddy's going to have to move the bloody cupboard.
Okay. Okay. There you go. Sign into Samsung account. Alright. I think we have Samsung account. There you go. Start now. Ready to go. Food, family, entertainment, and device manager or your freeze. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, here we have. Oh, I know. Someone opened the door. Yes, I did lotion. I know. Okay. That's all. Look at that. Okay. All right, Dita, you enjoy it. Can I open the door here first?
Just can you just move it away?
Please. I want to
Play
see
with it when we're doing
inside.
it.
Oh, look at that. Why are you making it? This is stay there for ages, Monica.
Clear all. Go on, press clear all.
What do you think, Mon?
Oh, this is the best day I ever had.
Really?
Oh my god.
Cat stuff in. Can you help me get the shoe thing, yeah?
Selesai guys, udah beres-beres, udah rapih ya, udah dirapihin tuh kulkasnya udah ada di belakang aku, udah di setup ya semuanya. Karena ini digital guys, jadi kita bisa nonton YouTube di sini. Kita tuh ada aku bisa nonton YouTube di sini dan ini juga aplikasinya lengkap, ada juga kalender. Jadi kalau misalkan kayak aku pelupa gitu, jadi bisa langsung dilihat di screen di sini. Jadi tugas anak dan segala macam di sini. Jadi nggak perlu lagi ditempel-tempel yang buat reminding aku gitu ya. Biasanya kan aku tempel di sini, tempel di situ buat ngingetin gitu schedule apa yang harus aku kerjain. Nah sekarang ada di semua ada di sini di kalender gitu. Jadi aku tinggal langsung lihat aja gitu guys. Udah rapi, kemarin udah acak-acakan ya sebelah sini, sekarang udah rapi lah segini lumayan ya. Tapi karena memang ada beberapa juga peralatan di situ yang aku harus storage lagi, dan di atas itu nanti kita harus disusun lagi ya, karena tuh lihat di atas juga berantakan, masih berantakan. Paling tidak ini kulkasnya udah ada di sini ya guys. Dan ini juga yang di atas itu, karena kita punya dua kulkas, yang di atas itu yang storage dan aku belum pindahin ke sini tuh. Luas banget, gede banget, cukuplah untuk family gitu ya. Dan sebelah sini juga guys, tuh belum lengkap sih, belum belanja ya, nanti kita belanja deh gitu. Bentar aku beresin dulu sebelah sini, nanti kita ngobrol-ngobrol lagi ya. So Monica, how about the fridge? Do you like it?
Yeah, you can literally color on it, and you can see my mum's video because she's a YouTuber.
Yes.
Now we're gonna make
What is
icing,
gonna
and I'm gonna squeeze it on the cake.
Okay, so you want to decorate the cake?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
which
gonna
one the cake?
Coffee cake.
Coffee cake.
The cake from yesterday we made.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put icing on it.
Alright. So what do you need first?
A bowl. Just
Need
a
bowl.
classic bowl, just
Classic bowl.
glass.
Okay.
But do not drop it.
Wait a minute, I need to get something
And
for
my mom is
us for to make icing. Jadi kemarin itu kita bikin cake, jadi bikin cake-nya kopi almond cake, dan dia sekarang mau decorate it. Katanya Monica mau decorate itu. Tunggu sebentar dulu ya. What we need, butternya udah aku keluarin dari kulkas, jadi nggak terlalu keras juga. And what we need is icing, sugar, isn't it?
Costly, basic.
Oh my god, I can't wait. Wait a minute. Aku lagi nge-steam dumpling, dan sekarang kita lagi bikin ini juga ya. Oke, pokoknya happy banget sih, kulkasnya udah ada, jadi bisa nonton. Kalian udah nonton YouTube aku belum? Video yang terbaru aku lagi nonton tuh. Monica sit down here. Yes, let's get something that we need. Now the first thing what we have to do, we have to chop this butter off like this. Then that's going
Only
to
adults
be.
can do it. I couldn't even do it yet.
Alright, okay, let's do it like this, and then you have to mix it up like that way. And what a
Oh my
minute.
gosh, I just jumped.
What's this one? This is. Oh my god, I think this is too much. It is too much. Do you think? Wait a minute.
Yep, but it'll just be very sugary though. I lick it on the cake.
So guys, aku bisa nonton YouTube sebelah sana sambil ngerjain cucian sebelah sini. Multifunction. Jadi multifungsi guys. Look at the weather outside, is very nice. Mommy has to dry some clothes in the garden. Is that alright? Wait a minute, I'll be right back. Tadi kan mendung guys, dan ini matahari akhirnya cerah keluar. Jadi sekarang mumpung mataharinya keluar, jadi aku harus ngeringin cucian. Tunggu bentar. Kemarin nyuci lagi tuh, ada 2 basket ya, jadi harus dikeringin. Beres. Mudah-mudahan ini panasnya seharian, karena kadang-kadang ya nggak seharian juga sih panasnya, tapi ini panas banget, nggak tahu berapa derajat ya. Oke, kita lanjut lagi. Sekarang kita ke dapur lagi untuk nerusan bikin kue sebelum nanti kita belanja buat ini, buat isi kulkas guys. Monica, I'm back. Okay, let's start it now. This is coffee. We put it away. Come on then.
So we put the coffee in.
Yeah. We have to mix it up. Wait a minute.
Yeah. And it makes it super yummy.
Super yummy. It's so hot outside, you know.
Ooh.
I can't handle it. It's so
Not
hot.
hot. So it's good. Because it's just tight today. So I'm going to go on my gadget.
Yes.
And my
indeed.
mom is going to just do that just for a moment. And then she'll get like a thing, and then she'll put some on it, and I can squeeze
Do
it.
you want to help mommy to make it?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it.
Alright, wait a minute. Oh my god, we have to be careful.
So much flour!
No, it's not flour, it's sugar.
Guys, so now we're gonna make the icing. You hear that? That's when my mum mixes the icing. So me and my mum is making icing, and I'm gonna squeeze it onto the cake. Ow, I'm coughing. Hello guys, my mum is making the icing,
Okay, let's you
and
wanna
I'm
try this
allowed to lick it.
Yes, you're allowed
It's at
to
the
lick
end.
that.
So nice.
Okay, you can lick it out if you like it.
Only mine.
No, is that yours? Would you like to share with me?
Okay, one for
Okay,
you.
just a little bit. No, I don't want it. I don't want all. Just a little bit. For the first, we have to divide it. Just like the 2. Just like this. It's easy. Now, okay. Like this. Oh, yummy, Monica. Look at this. Oh. For the middle first. Somewhere over here. Just like this. Very simple. Easy way, Monica. You love that sugar, don't you? You finished that?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. This is my favorite thing.
So today our new fridge came, and do you see this bit? You can actually play on it and see videos on YouTube. This is where you get water.
Try it for me. Okay, let's do this. Wait a minute. You spread it out like this, Monica. Can you help me to do it? Look at this. Let's spread it like this.
Excuse me.
Okay. To finish is to put on the top is, what is that?
Seeds.
The last way. Not that seed. Almond flakes. Okay. Sekarang aku panasin ininya guys, almondnya nih, almond flake-nya buat toppingnya. Selesai, kita taburin di atasnya begini aja ya. Tuh kan jadi. It's so nice, isn't it? Dan kita simpan di sini buat nanti. Kita tutup. There you go. Alright guys, sekarang karena aku belum tahu ya gimana caranya buat semuanya, buat ngeset semuanya. Yes, new freeze. Dan aku sekarang mau baca-baca dulu apa secara manual harus gimana ya, karena ini digital ya, jadi agak bingung gitu.